Okay.
Okay, this is the Avion Mor-Ryde lift suspension on the 70 series with a faceplate on the rubber. This has been reinforced on each side at the factory. This has a little lip here, a little indentation for my bottle jack. It just slides up underneath here on the lip, center it. If you have a tall enough bottle jack, you don't need it, but mine I have a little guy, so I have to do this. Just hand crank it up to get it where I need it to be. Make sure it's nice and straight. Again, it's here. Come back here, honey. You can see it's lifting up. Suspension. Mor-Ryde. Lifting it up. All right. What? You get a better jack. It's quicker. And then it's zip, you know, you loosen up them before you lift it up, pull them off, replace them. Nice handy part. I'll clean it up and get the name off it. Here, you can barely make it out. But I use it all the time for leveling out on the other side if it's not too, you know, it's off center. Again, make sure you're chalked. Let it down, that's all. There you go. Then if I wanted to, if this was flat and ruined, I could jack it up, get my chain I have, the original chain, go underneath here. There's a mounting brackets. You slap the chain in, holds up that axle. If I didn't have a spare, get to where I got to get to, take care of it, then jack it up again and do what I got to do.
Okay.
So, just send us an email. We'll have information.